What is going on, guys? Today is a pretty nice day to be melting metal. It's not perfect, it's not sunny, but it's not raining. So I'm going to give this a try with my new coating on this styrofoam piece. What I did was I mixed my sand that I used for my lost foam casting cast. I mixed the sand with the plaster, mixed it around in a container, and then wiped it on with a brush. I let it solidify. Took about 3 days to fully harden up. It's pretty solid. Um, so the reason I did that was to try to contain the metal. You probably saw in my last video or the one before, the metal seeped through the plaster a little bit. So we're going to see if this will fully contain the brass, because that's what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using brass. So let's see if it helps contain the brass inside this so it's perfect when I'm finished. All right, guys, so this is the brass that I have left over from my last brass casting. So I don't think it's going to be enough. It might be, but I'm gonna probably add a little bit more to it after this is all melted. So let's get right to burying this in sand and let's start casting. Guys, it worked. That mixture of sand and wall plaster worked really good. It really gave it a nice solid shell, so the brass didn't bleed out when I poured it. I did not coat the bottom with it because I wanted the gases to kind of remove itself from the mold, and because I did that, I guess it kind of messed up the bottom. But I don't care. I think it came out really good. There is no cleanup whatsoever that I have to do with this except for just wire wheeling it like I did. I don't have to chip away anything. It's perfect, just like this, guys. If anybody wants to know, it weighs 3.8 pounds. That is the weight of this statue right here. Guys, if you want to see how I made this, I'll leave a clip following this right now. How I made this. If you didn't see the video, I made one of these in aluminum. I'll link that up top for you to see it, also in the description. But before the end of the video, I will show you how I made this using foam. Guys, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next video.